Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix standby mode is not working on your iPhone after iOS 17 update. As we know, Apple regularly introduced new feature and improvement with each iOS update, and it's in latest iOS 17 version. Standby mode is definitely one of the highlight features. When your iPhone is in standby mode, it will display various full screen widgets or useful information including time, weather, calendar and photos. So if the standby mode is not working on your iPhone, then I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. According to the Apple official, standby mode is released in iOS 17. It means it only works with the device that are compatible with the version. So make sure that you are using the device with the iOS 17 version. Then move on to the next step. The next step is make sure standby mode is enabled. The standby mode will be activated automatically once it's locked and charging in landscape view. If the standby mode is not working on iOS devices, you can check whether it's enabled or not. You can simply go to settings, and then here you will see standby mode. So if it's disabled, you can enable it to see if it start working, and if it's still not working, then move on to the next step. The next step is make sure you use portrait orientation lock is disabled. If the portrait orientation lock on your iPhone is turned on, the standby mode will not work well. This is because the standby mode only will be activated when the device is charging and placed in the landscape view. You can simply open the control center and make sure that your orientation lock is disabled. Then move on to the last step. The last step is restart your iPhone. If the standby mode not working on iPhone still exists in your iPhone, you can try restarting your iPhone. Restarting is a simple and quick way to fix some bugs and glitches in iOS system, and standby mode is one of the new feature in iOS 17. It may have some stability issue. You can simply press the volume up and power button to restart your iPhone. So once your iPhone is restarted, the problem will be solved. So hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.